Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oxy and I help entrepreneurs grow on social media and get more clients using Instagram. And in today's video, let's talk about how you can get your first 1000 followers. So why you need 1000 followers? The reason is simple. Because when you get 1000 followers, it will give you a social proof. Imagine that people go to your profile and you have only 50 followers. So most probably they will think that your profile is not interesting, they will not scroll down to check your content, they will not follow you and they will just leave. So let's talk about the strategies how you can get your first 1000 followers. So the first thing you need to do is to define the topic for your profile and what value you're gonna give to your audience. Optimize your profile picture, use quality image, optimize your bio, headline. Your headline is searchable, so use related keywords. Explain in 1-2 sentences in the description why people should follow you, so what value you can give them. Second, you need to think about the visual part, if your photos are attractive enough. If you have some old photos of animals or low quality photos of food, they don't attract any attention and they don't give any value to your audience, just delete them, clean your account. Prepare at least 9 good quality posts, and at this stage you don't need to tell your audience how good you are, just give them value. Be consistent, post on a regular basis, show your personality in the stories. You need to build that connection with the audience. Then you need to use the right hashtags. I have a video on my channel about the hashtag strategy in 2020, so check it out. Use geotags in your post, in your stories, so when people search for a certain location, you have more chances to get noticed. Once your profile is ready, you've posted 9 good quality posts, you can try to find some small bloggers that have similar amount of followers and collaborate with them. Maybe you can do shout out for shout out, so this way you can gain new followers. Then you can find small bloggers who have around 3,000–5,000 followers and invite them for an interview, so you can interview them during your live session on Instagram. Before that, you need to post 1 or 2 announcements about this live stream, and if you're lucky, that blogger will repost your announcement on his page, so this way you will get some additional traffic to your Instagram page. Nowadays it's quite challenging to grow on Instagram organically. Facebook wants us to pay money, so I advise you to start boosting, promoting your posts through Facebook Manager, targeting your audience, so this way you will get additional engagement and you will drive more people to your profile. And the last tip for today, find microbloggers from your niche and collaborate with them, because their prices are quite affordable and their audience is very loyal. But before you collaborate with them, make sure that you ask them to send you their insights, analytics, and see if their audience is real, where they are from, how old they are, etc. So guys, these were some strategies how you can grow your first 1000 real followers on Instagram. If you like my content, please don't forget to support me with your like. It's really important for me, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will reply to everyone. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!